Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another weekly breakdown here on Intuition FX. I hope everyone is well. I hope everyone had a great trading week so far. Well, so far the trading week's done, so I hope everyone had a good trading week. And let's just get straight into it. The reason I'm doing this weekly breakdown on a Friday is because I may be a bit busy on the weekend. I'm not sure yet, so I don't want to miss the opportunity of doing a weekly breakdown. So I'm doing it while the market's still open. It's about 2 hours left. I don't really think much is going to happen now anyway, so I'll just get straight into it. Lovely delivery, firstly, can I just say, from EURUSD. It is such a lovely delivery on a daily market maker sell model. We had the reclaimed block over here, the fair value gap, as I outlined on the weekly breakdown last week. You guys can go check it out. And as I was mentioning on the Telegram, I laid out price like this. Daily market maker sell model had the daily fair value gaps over here as well, and as you can see, the SMT with DXY that made the high, and then CPI, boom, gave it that momentum it needed to move to the downside, taking at the previous week low. So overall, it was a good week. I wasn't able to participate in this huge run down. I regret it. I mean, you know, I was meant to have a one shot one kill trade from here, but I just didn't like the way we were trading a bit. I thought we would have taken this high out, gone into the order block, and then dropped lower, but I was incorrect. And well, it doesn't matter. It is what it is. I still managed to get some trades this week. As you guys have seen, I've been pushing out videos, and I'm pushing out trades on the Telegram and on my YouTube channel. So again, lovely delivery from EURUSD. But I'm just gonna touch on DXY before we go back on Euro. Again, another amazing delivery by the dollar index as well, outlined on the last weekly breakdown. Going into volume imbalance over here. I like how we've closed above that daily volume imbalance, and I sense that we're going to use that area over here for support. So we do have a tiny little fair value gap, and I do think price would go trade into that and then trade higher. So again, I am aiming higher on the dollar, and my next target is 106, the round figure. That is my next target going into the next week. On the euro, if I'm on the weekly, again, we've taken out the sell side. We have sell side here and you have sell side there. And I like the way we've had a very shallow run. I like that. I like that how this run is just nice and shallow. It's not deep at all. If it had gone a bit deeper, I would have sensed, you know, maybe a reversal of some sort. But I like how it's shallow. You know, they haven't done enough work here. So I do feel like this candle going up is good. You know, up days like this create the down days, if you know what I mean. And we do have this little fair value gap over here. So it'd be nice to see price trade into there and then drop lower. But like, and here we do have this fair value gap here. So I'm interested to see what next week has in store for us. And like I said, I'm just going to be patient, wait for Monday to pass, go on to Tuesday. And there is one thing I haven't done, which is go on to the Forex Factory like I normally do. Just do that for you guys now. There you go. So again, look, Monday, there's not really much going on. Sorry, Monday's here. Tuesday, still not much going on. Wednesday, we do have the FOMC. So again, my main trading days for next week will be Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. I am hoping to get into a position on Tuesday, maybe, or Monday, or whatever the price does. I want to get into a one-shot, one-kill scenario where I can hold it through FOMC. Again, not trading FOMC, but holding a position through it. But again, we'll see when we get to that on the euro. And if you go on the dollar index, GBP USD. Again, GBP USD, we had a weekly immediate rebalance over here. Again, this candle to me does not exist. And take that across, immediate rebalance, and we have just gone lower. And again, my next target is this low over here. I think we are going to go for those lows, and then after that we do have volume imbalance. So first we're going to go for this low. I'm going to take this off as well. So yeah, my next target is this low over here, sell side liquidity, and then the daily volume imbalance. I do think we are headed to the downside with dollar being bullish and euro being bearish as well. So that's going to be an interesting take to see where we go in the market. And if I go on GU over here again, it had that immediate rebalance, and as you can see, it just tanked. It just tanked, which was nice to see as well. So overall, it was a decent week in price action. You know, the consolidation, like I said over here, just caught me off guard, got me a bit hesitant. But again, you learn from these kind of things. So yeah, guys, again, you guys have seen me trade NAS a little bit now, and that is something I'm adding. I'm still demo balling that, the silver bullet, and I'm just trying to understand NAS a bit more, so then I can implement it into my live trading. The only two things I trade live is EU and GU. NAS, I've just got on the demo to understand price action. But other than that, guys, that's basically it. I mean, I know I keep my market breakdown short. Now that I look back at it, I keep them very short because, like I said, I only have 2 pairs to really go through, and I just give you a rough idea of what the market's gonna do, and you guys can see the consistency of the uploads and the directional bias, and you can see majority of the time I am in sync with the market. So yeah, other than that, I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. Take care, rest up, do some back testing, journaling, whatever you guys do, and let's get ready for an amazing week next week. Peace.